Hey guys, this is a 2017 Impreza. It's on my frame rack. It's got a little bump in the front. Car's pretty clean. It's brand new. It's got 28,000 miles on it, or 2,000 miles on it, or something. Car is pretty clean. Look at that thing inside. Pretty gnarly. I'm fixing it. Look at this thing. Don't be scared. I got the ass end of this thing apart. Look at this thing. I put a new tailgate on there already. I got to put a whole back panel on it. This rail was bent. Replacing that rail. Oh, here's another Forester working on. Here's another Outback we're working on. But here's that panel. That panel's gonna go right on the back of this thing right here, all the way across. This quarter panel was pushed in this gap. There was none, so I pulled this out already. It's pretty cool. I'll show you guys the finished product as it goes down the road. And I'm going to PDR this door, believe it or not. And I'm going to PDR this fender. I'm kidding. I'm going to replace this fender, and then this may be pushed back. Insurance put a couple marks on it, but I don't know until I actually turn the car around and start working on the nose. But the 2017 Impreza will be for sale down the road. If anybody wants one, give us a call.